Today, I'm quite excited. I'm going somewhere where I've never been before. I'm heading to prison. I'm driving right now to the Utah Correctional Facility because today we are doing a training program with the EITs, which is Entrepreneurs in Training. So there's a group of about, I think, 30-ish individuals. We're all heading to the prison right now, and we're gonna be there literally all day from 9 to 5, and we're going to be working on some entrepreneurial skills, and to be honest, I'm not sure what else. This is my first time doing this. I cannot take my cell phone into the facility, obviously. Cannot take any cameras. So, on that note, I will have to just update you once the day's done. Okay, I just saw a sign right there. Correctional facility. Here we go. 800 West. Wow. This is kind of in the middle of nowhere.
In about 2 miles, turn left onto West 1560 North.
2 miles away. I think I see that big building out there. That's probably it. But this is definitely not like Draper, where it used to be. This is out here in the middle of nowhere. But here's kind of a fun fact. When that prison was built, I was chatting with the gentleman who is much older than me, and he said that I think the city of Salt Lake had been developed just to the start of Sugar House. And so Draper did seem like the middle of nowhere back then, because the city of Salt Lake had only been developed to just like the start of Sugar House. So probably like South Salt Lake, kind of Sugar House border. Well, fast forward a bunch of years and Draper's, absolutely booming. And so anyways, relocation of a new prison is out here. I don't even know if this is considered Magna. I'm not sure. Because I don't think it's Tooele. We haven't gone out that far yet. But anyways, regardless, I think it's that giant building right there in the distance. So yeah, let's stay tuned till we get a little bit closer. Okay, here we are. We're here. Utah State Correctional Facility. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. Yeah, okay. Control point, all vehicles prepare to stop. And identification, 16 years or older. Oh, there's a checkpoint up here. All right, let's do this. Here's the situation. We just went through some type of checkpoint, had to show my ID and tell them why I'm here. But now I'm going to put, the camera away. Obviously I can't take the camera inside, so I'm gonna go find a place to park and we'll figure this out. Okay. All right, so we just wrapped up the Defy program here at the Utah State Correctional Facility. We were, let's see, kind of behind this building right there. There's another building behind. There's a lot of different units, and we were behind that one, and we kind of had to walk through the yard, pass a lot of individuals, and to get to the building that we got to. And I mean, it was a legit, pretty incredible program. We spent the entire day sharing entrepreneurial ideas. EIT stands for Entrepreneurs in Training, and we were here with, as I mentioned, with Defy. That is the program that does this at correctional facilities all across America, and basically giving our 2 cents on ideas that some of these EITs have as far as businesses, starting up some businesses, and ideas of employment and all of that good stuff. Kind of just preparing them for when they get out. And so very eye-opening. Anyways, had a wonderful time, met a ton of entrepreneurs that came from all over the country, some even from Canada, to be part of this program. And wow, just a very, very rewarding day. One that I will definitely do again. And yeah, just what an experience. I've never been inside a correctional facility. It's my first time. So it was definitely an experience for me to be inside one and then to be able to interact with the EITs there. And yeah, anyways, fantastic day. So just wanted to kind of share my 2 cents in a quick little video. Maybe I'll see if I can, I don't even know what the website is for Defy. I heard of this program through a friend of mine, so I'll see if I can find up the, dig up the web address. And I mean, if you have any desire to volunteer and come share ideas with EITs and entrepreneurs in training at a correctional facility, you can check it out. All right. Well, it's 4:30. I got to get over to basketball practice. My son's basketball practice is starting as we speak, so got to head over there now. And yeah, great day.